for discussion whether jewelry is an investment or an expenses. When you are buying a jewelry, you buy normally two types of jewelry. There are two types of jewelry basically. One is a plain gold jewelry, which is called yellow jewelry, which is normally made in Calcutta. The other type of jewelry is basically a studded jewelry, which is very popular and it is used in weddings and on special festivals. This jewelry is used. The studded jewelry consists of jewelry with kundan, pearls, diamonds, polki, and so many other things. So the point is whether it is an investment or an expenses. I would say that buying jewelry is an expenses only to the extent of making charges which you are paying to your jewelers. Otherwise, gold is gold. It's purely an investment. So normally the making charge in our country ranges from about 4% to about 15 to 20%. It depends on what kind of jewelry, what kind of necklace, or what kind of set you are buying, or what kind of artisan work has been used in respect of those jewelry. Jewelry, why I would say it is always an investment, because you can always melt the jewelry. This is the only product where even if you melt, you can go and sell in the market. The jewelry itself can be sold in the open market. It need not be required to be melted. But if you want to still melt and remake some new jewelry, you can always do that. You can exchange jewelry, you can remake your jewelry, you can sell jewelry, you can melt jewelry, you can do anything with the jewelry. So most of the females have habit of, when the new fashion comes, they want to change their jewelry. Most of the people now are not interested in high value jewelry or the big sets which normally old people used to wear. Now they are interested in lightweight jewelry. So heavyweight jewelry is out of fashion. So you can exchange your one heavyweight jewelry with basically two smaller lightweight sets, and so on and so forth. So buying jewelry always makes a sense. India has about 600 to 700 tons of jewelry market, which is very big market in the world. And this jewelry market is highest in the world. Even as far as buying of jewelry is concerned, China is far behind us. Though the overall consumption in China is about 200 tons higher than India, but they make a lot of artifacts with the gold, while in India jewelry is normally very popular. So I would always suggest that please go for jewelry which are lightweight or which are plain gold jewelry. Be careful when you are buying a studded jewelry. One or two sets of studded jewelries are better, but studded jewelry does not make a proper investment. Proper investment is made only through plain gold jewelry.